So I'm here in Mermaid Arts Centre with Eoin Fegan, who's our technical manager. Eoin has worked here since we opened our doors in 2002, and he is very concerned about our dimmer switches. So I've asked him to explain exactly what that is and why he's so worried.
Hi. So to try and give you a brief overview of what the dimmers are and what they do, they're an integral part of our lighting system. As Aoife explained to me, we've got more than a show per day in the year coming. We use this infrastructure for every single show. We're down to just under 2/3 of our capacity at the moment. So we currently do not have any LED or moving light technology, so everything is incandescent tungsten bulbs, which are being phased out. If you can imagine, the lighting system consists of 3 individual pieces: the lighting desk, which is kind of like the brain, the dimmer system, which is kind of like the nervous system, and your lights, which are basically your appendages. So the desk tells the dimmers how much power to send to each individual channel, making it dimmer or brighter. If you want to come with me, I can show you the actual dimmers themselves. There's housed.
And is the dimmer set we have at the minute the original?
These are the original dimmers. We originally had 72 ways of dimming. They're housed in here.
So we're now in the scene dock at Mermaid backstage.
So this is our patch system. From here down is the amount of circuits we have. From here up is the actual dimmer circuits we have. You've 3 24-way racks here. Rack number 3 has been dead since before 2020. I have cannibalized this dimmer to get dimmer 2 working last year. We're now working with 48 out of 72 dimmers, and even at that 48 we're actually down to 46 because there are 2 dimmers gone on this. These are an integral part of the venue. We use our lighting system for every single show and event that we do. I more and more have incoming companies coming in needing bigger lighting rigs and having to do workarounds and basically not be able to give them the fullest experience that we should be able to give to them.
Okay.